The most common psychiatric disorder worldwide is depression. Which neurotransmitter is most implicated in depression? Serotonin. The monoamine hypothesis of depression involves deficiency of serotonin, norepinephrine, dopamine, which is not a core symptom of depression. Increased energy. Depression lasting more than 2 years is called dysthymia. Which gender is more commonly affected by depression? Female. Depression with psychotic symptoms is called major depression with psychosis. Which sleep pattern is characteristic of depression? Early morning awakening. The most serious complication of depression is suicide. Which age group has the highest risk of depression? Adolescents and young adults. Postpartum depression occurs within 6 weeks of delivery. Which personality trait predisposes to depression? Introversion. Which physical illness is most strongly linked with depression? Hypothyroidism. Most strongly linked with depression, hypothyroidism. Endogenous depression is mainly due to biological factors. Which scale is commonly used to measure depression? Hamilton Depression Rating Scale, HAM-D. Which is the first line treatment for depression? SSRIs. Which SSRI is most commonly used? Fluoxetine. Which antidepressant has the least sexual side effects? Bupropion. Tricyclic antidepressants act by blocking reuptake of serotonin and norepinephrine. Common side effect of tricyclic antidepressant: dry mouth and constipation.